wonder if I put on my glasses will I look cool. Be like, hello there. Wanna learn how to put on eyeshadow? Okay, let's be serious.
Yeah, man, how you doing? You good? I know you like that. I know you like that. How long you been back, man? I see the girl.
Hello there, my beautiful people. It's your girl Takeaway O, and I'm back with another video. I want to teach you guys how to apply eyeshadow. Okay, like hold your applauses, hold your applauses. So yeah, I'm gonna teach you guys the basic beginner steps, and I don't know why the sun is messing with me right now, but we're just gonna work with it because it doesn't want to cooperate with me. So we're just gonna we're just gonna ignore the sun. So yeah, if you want to learn how to apply eyeshadow for beginners and achieve this beautiful look like so, stay right there. Without further ado, let's get to it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's go this way. Now before you apply eyeshadow, the first thing you want to do is apply an eyeshadow primer to your eyelid first, because that's going to help make your eyeshadow stay in place. And this primer is called the Take on the Day eyeshadow primer. So I took like a little scoop, then just going to apply it gently. So you can see I'm just using my finger to smooth that in. I'm going in with my LA Girl almond shade, and I'm gonna press that bad boy in. So you just want to like dab it into the primer. So after doing this, you can either set this concealer, which is now your base, with your eyeshadow, or set it with a powder, depends on what you want to go for, or go straight into blending your transition colors. I like to go straight to blend my transition colors because it what's the word? The colors are more vibrant, so that's why. Now for my transition color, I'm going to be going in with my Morphe 35OM palette. When you're doing your transition colors, you want to use matte colors. Do not use anything shimmery, only matte colors. How to pick transition colors? It depends on the look you're going for. If you already know what you're going for, you want to pick like, okay, if you're going to do a bright eyeshadow color on your eyelid, you want to pick a transition color that's dark, because then the darkness will make it pop. It's like having something against the black background, and it'll look really good. So it's up to you. You have to like think like that. So I can't really give like if you're gonna do this color of eyeshadow, this is the color for transition color you must use, because like makeup, it's like it's your own thing. You can do it anywhere you want to do. So I can't really tell you like, okay, if you want to do this color, pick this color for transition color. That's not how it works. You can use a totally different color that's opposite from what you're using for your eyelid, and it'll still come out bomb. It just depends on blending and your techniques. I'm gonna be going with this two brown shades right there, and then I'm gonna mix it in with that one. So let me do those two first. When you get the eyeshadow onto your brush, you wanna like tap a little to get rid of the excess one, so you don't have too much fallout. I'm gonna go right here, and I'm gonna apply that in a circular motion. You can do the swipe, but when you're first applying the colors, it's good to go in a circular motion so you can lock the shade in there. Now you see how vibrant it was, a good popping color. So back to blending, just gonna go in a circular motion. And feel free to go back in there and dip and get more colors if it's not as dark or as light as you want it. When you're applying color, when you go back and dab to get more color, always start at the ends. You don't want to start at like the middle or in the front, because then it's going to be too much color for in here. You want it to be like dark light, you know? And you want to change brushes when you're going from different colors to different colors. Since I'm staying within the same brownish shade, I decided not to change my brush. As you can see, I'm going in the same circular motion. I'm going to be going in with my Morphe Jacqueline Taylor palette. I'm going to be using this shade right here. Set the foundation for my eyelids. I really do not need to recut the crease. You do that when you want to get that defined cut crease look. So for the next shade, I'm going to be using these two shades right here. And when you're picking up eyeshadow to apply, you want to just like gently tap it into, like tap your brush into the palette, placing it. When you want to apply eyeshadow, you want to just tap. Don't go like that with the way we're blending. So I'm literally just tapping it into my eyelid. Doing the cut crease, but it's not going to be as defined as if I were to like recarve everything. And I'm just tapping. I'm going to add the colors from my transition color to the ends of my eyelid and then blend it into the eyeshadow I just applied, so it's like an ombre-ish. Glitter liner I'm using is the Diamond and Shine and Extra Long Lasting. I'm going to be going in with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Foundation I'm using is the Revlon Color Stay Foundation in the shade here.
Aside from my soul,
my camera died, so I decided to finish the makeup off camera, but I didn't highlight and contour because I have somewhere to go, so I'm just gonna put on my highlight by my BH Cosmetics Ashley Tisdale Illuminate highlighter to my brow bone. I'm gonna apply it gently right there. I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal setting spray before I apply the highlight to my face. For the rest of my face, I'm gonna be going with my BH Cosmetics Wild and Radiant highlighting palette. And I'm gonna be using like the combination of all shades together. I'm gonna be using the BH Cosmetics matte lipstick in the shade Love.
Pour me water, holy water, quench this fire.